I'm sometimes a little bit a provocative person, but what I found out is that the most people who are into the religion of slow sex have a nervous system who cannot contain very much energy. So when it gets too fast, too hot, they lose connection to themselves, and they lose connection to the partner, and they lose connection to the heat. So they are lost. And they found a way to make love without getting lost and to stay in connection. And they say, oh, slow sex is the real sex. Yeah. And you have the people on the other side of the spectrum who don't feel anything when they make slow sex. They just fall asleep. I would say what we know today is the life of a human being has to be in balance between adventure and safety.